What is Batman's contingency for Black Canary and Captain Atom? Black Canary possesses a metagene that gives her a powerful sonic attack, able to damage and stun foes with her voice. Subjecting her to chlorine gas or other choking agents should cause a non-lethal constriction of the larynx. As for Captain Atom, he is extremely durable and has nearly limitless ability to absorb energy and radiation. If Atom had to be neutralized, Batman would have to pierce his Dillastel armor, although that would result in a statewide catastrophe. Therefore, the best option would be to exploit his spontaneous quantum jumping, as making him absorb too much energy, such as a nuclear strike would send him forward in time or into another dimension.